Yale Real Living Touchscreen Deadbolt Programming, All Code Lockout. Please note, if the lock is connected to a wireless automation controller, it is recommended that it be programmed through the controller to ensure communication between the lock and the controller unit. Please note, during All Code Lockout, all user codes are rejected, but the master PIN code still functions for door unlocking and main menu access. For this example, we have set the master PIN code to 123456. Touch the screen with the back of your hand or palm to activate. Enter master PIN code 123456, followed by the pound key to enter the main menu. We will select number 6, followed by the pound sign to enter the All Code Lockout setting. You can then select option number 1, followed by the pound sign to enable the All Code Lockout setting. Or you can select option number 3, followed by the pound sign to disable the All Code Lockout setting.